In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive using drag and drop on a computer. This quick, reliable method works on both Windows and Mac, and it's perfect for moving photos, documents, or any files from your computer straight into Google Drive. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to drivegoogle.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. If you use more than one account, glance at the profile icon in the top right to make sure you're in the correct one. Once Drive loads, confirm you're in My Drive, or open the exact folder where you want your files to go. Uploads land in whatever location you're viewing, so it's worth double-checking before you begin. If you plan to upload a lot or large files, make sure you have enough storage space available in your account. Now, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. It helps to keep your Drive tab and your file window visible side by side. If you're on a single screen, resize the windows or quickly switch with Alt-Tab on Windows or Command+Tab on Mac. Navigate to the file or files you want to upload. You can select a single file or pick multiple at once. On Windows, hold Control to select several non-adjacent files or Shift to select a range. On Mac, use Command or Shift. You can also use Control+A or Command+A to select everything in a folder. For smoother uploads and easier organization, it's a good idea to name or group your files before you drag them over. With your files selected, click and hold, then drag them into the Google Drive browser window. Aim for the main area of the page or directly over a folder in the left sidebar. When you're hovering in a valid spot, Drive will highlight the drop zone and may display a message like, "Drop files to upload." Release the mouse to drop the files. You'll see an Upload Status panel appear in the corner showing progress for each item. Larger files may take time, depending on your internet connection. Keep the browser tab open and avoid putting your computer to sleep while the transfer runs. If your connection dips, Drive usually resumes automatically when you're back online. When the upload completes, your files will appear right where you dropped them. You can click a file to preview it, or right-click to share or move it if needed. If a file with the same name already exists, Drive may keep a separate copy and you can rename it afterward. That's how you upload files to Google Drive using drag and drop. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.